Okay, guys, we're back online. Somebody's got the boom booms going over there. I guess you can definitely hear that. Over here we got a cool Ford there with his Thompson gun like the Bonnie and Clyde days. And there's a whole row of doodlebugs over here. And then we got the low riders. We got one sitting on the ground. We got a little bit of everything over here. Lots of trucks. We got the little S10s and the Chevy pickups. Oh, look at that, honey. Heavy. Look how long it is. That's a half a city block. They must have extended it. All right, let's go on down. There's a Corvair convertible for Matt.
Those are what was at Parker's.
Huh?
Those two were at Parker's.
Yeah, these were the ones that were at Parker's. Huh?
That looks like Chloe.
Kind of did with a lot less hair. Look at this thing. Wow.
Backwards doors.
Huh?
Backwards open.
Suicide doors. What is that right there? Kurt Cobain. That's Nirvana, the group Nirvana. He's got it on the ground. Hey, look, looks like it's a long wheelbase, like a Chevy truck bed on a S10. Or is that a Toyota? Wow. Somebody spent some money and time.
Look how deep
Whoever
the
painted
trunk,
that.
The trunk looks like it's got water in it. It's so deep looking.
Wow. That is, he's got bricks and look at that. Now somebody really went out and above on that. That is something else. How cool. Yeah, it's all about Kurt Cobain. I mean,
No, there's Elvis, Aaron, and Ronnie James.
oh, it's a lot of the singers.
Jimi Hendrix, Randy Rhoads.
Oh, he's got the tombstones in there. Oh, I see. Look at that. Did you see that across there in the back?
Yeah.
Oh, he's got the whole.
Jim Morrison, Joe.
Oh, wow. This is something else now. Elvis, Aaron Presley, John Henry Bonham, Jimi Hendrix, and Ronnie James. Look at there, Ozzy's in the middle. Where'd you go? That's cool, very cool. I'm not sure about this. That's a nice looking truck. I like. Huh? It's got the right tires and wheels on it.
In red.
What's he got?
Mopar.
Mopar. He's got probably a 318 like the motor in your truck. That's what it is. Like the motor in my van in the backyard. I like it.
This would be perfect. This is exactly what I want.
Check out the inside. He's got it really nice. There's a lot of switches and gauges and it's stick.
Yeah, well, I know how to drive a stick. I just don't like it.
They did a nice job, didn't they? Look at that upholstery. It's nice and taut.
Was this at,
Huh?
what was that?
Huh?
11:15. There's another one at,
Another car show?
yeah,
Can I
11:15
get it?
at our place.
Oh, it's at our place. Oh, that's, yeah. What a date is that? 11 what?
11:15.
11:15. Take a picture of it. Really nice. We got the little Corvair. How nice. I've seen this one around. He's been at a lot of the other car shows we go to. That's so cool.